Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Fan professional clippers. So this is going to be an unboxing and a product overview video. So let's get into it and let me show you what this product brings, how well it works, and I'll give my overall feedback. So when you first open the box, you have your regular size clippers here. It's a very sharp blade, and I like how it has a different clicking, so you could adjust it to make your fades a little bit easier. Here's your charger. It easy charges with USB-C or with the plug that it comes with. Has a cover. And then it also comes with your T-trimmer right here. Also, you could charge it with the plug that it gives. When you open up the box, you have your comb, a brush to clean the hairs off. It has these 3 combs for your T-trimmer. Then you have 8 combs to fade and to cut your hair shorter. So you have your number 6. And then you have all the way from A all the way up to number 6. You have your oil to keep your trimmers lubricated. Here's your charging plug. And it comes with a cape. So let me show you how easy it is to clip the combs onto the clipper. I like how it has this little teeth here so they won't come off accidentally. So you just slide it on top, then you just clip it down. And so now they're nice and secure and it's not going to pop off by mistake. So they fit very well. So let me show you how well that the thing cuts. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great professional barber set. I like how it comes with the 2 clippers right here. I also like how you have a lot of different comb guides, and these makes it easier to fade the hair easily and to keep your hair to the desired size that you want. I also like how the T-trimmer has these combs so you could trim your beards easily with this. I also like the oil that I come with, and the battery life on these lasts a good amount of time and it's very easy to charge. This is a great barber set to have. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.